This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Theresa Blackmon. If you are looking for privacy with convenience to the city, this is it. Beautiful home on 1.82 acres with downstairs finished in-law suite/teenager suite. This spectacular suite includes a laundry room, kitchen and separate entrance. Potential for office/4th bedroom upstairs. Granite countertops with backsplash in both kitchens. Island in the upstairs kitchen, hardwood floors and double vanity in master. Radon mitigation system installed in 2017 and Kinetico advanced water system installed. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Theresa Blackmon at 919-266-3666.